So, due to recent events in the world, everybody wants to start an online business and everybody wants to do it as simplest way as possible. And here in this video, I'm going to be talking about the simplest online business, the easiest online business that you can start. So, before we're going to get to the actual topic, let's discuss some things. First is what online business actually is. Because what people are thinking that online business is something like a thing that you can actually start doing, which is very limited thing, which is simply completely wrong. Online business is not a one thing. Online business is huge amount of things, the same as any other business. You can be selling something, you can be servicing something, you can be repairing a bunch of things all at the same time. And same thing is an online business. There is no single business model in online business. There is a lot of different business models there. But unfortunately, you cannot start all of them at once because it would be practically impossible to keep up with everything. And the best online business to start for you probably will be the one that requires minimal to no money investments from your side, because if you have money, you probably can already do an online or offline business regardless of that. Another requirement is that you should give you results relatively soon, because if you're interested in online business, you want the results, not just stomping on one place for a really long time or spending a bunch of money on no results. You want money fast. And if you really want the easiest and simplest online business to start, online courses is the easiest and simplest online business to start. The simplest, but not the simple. Don't get me wrong, online business probably one of the simplest, if not the simplest online business model that you can start. But it is not simple. It is not easy. It is not you will sit down, click a few buttons and start making money and will become rich very quick. It's not like that. So okay, now let's discuss what online business actually is. So before we're gonna get to selling an online courses, let's quickly in a few words discuss what online business actually is. Online business is selling goods or products or services for the monetary compensation. This is the simplest way to explain, to engulf as many things as you possibly can in a huge thing as an online business is. To sell goods or services for the monetary compensation, basically for money. Here is the reason why online courses is the simplest way to make money online or to have an online business. That's because with an online courses, you already have a product. You have an unpackaged product, but you already have a product, which is your knowledge and experience. And with an online courses, you're selling your knowledge and experience in a package. In any other online business, you don't have it like that. For example, in a drop shipping, you need to have a product, you need to outsource them from China or from any other places. On Amazon FBA, you need to have a product, the same here as well. With an affiliate marketing, which majority of the people are actually saying that it's the simplest way to make money online, you actually don't sell the product, you sell your service to market the product. Basically, what you are doing is you are marketing the product. Product is already made for you and your job is to market it. So affiliate marketing is more like a service than it is selling the goods. And if you don't know how to market, you cannot sell the product. You cannot be making money from affiliate marketing. Even though affiliate marketing is pretty easy, it's not as simple as an online course creation. Another reason why online courses is a very good online business is because it requires little to no investments. For example, if you want to do zero investments, you can absolutely do that by selling your courses on online course platforms like Udemy and Skillshare, or a bunch of other platforms. These two are just the biggest ones and the most popular ones, but there are so many online course platforms that you cannot even count. But here, you don't need marketing or anything else. You just package the deal, package basically your product, meaning that you record your knowledge in an audio or video form and you just put it right there, and they are selling this for you and they want to sell this for you. And if you don't wish to do it on the marketplaces, you can actually self-host the courses as well. In this case, you will need to spend some money for marketing, but usually marketing online courses is not as difficult as marketing, for example, something like the products, because it's very easy to refund, and plus the profit margins there are far larger than any other physical products and goods. And putting the course on marketplaces can be compared to print on demand. If you know what print on demand business model is basically when someone buys a shirt that you don't have, and the product, meaning a shirt, is being made only after someone buys it. Here is the same thing for example, on Udemy, people are buying this and you are not spending anything. People are buying the courses, you are not spending anything. Udemy is taking their cut for everything they spend their money on, or marketing or wherever, or the site site maintenance, and they give you your cut right there, which is simply amazing because you don't have to spend a $0. You're just spending nothing. As an example, for my entire year of a online course creator career, I haven't spent a $0 for the marketing of my courses. And the last but not least reason why online course is the simplest way to make money is it's actually pretty quick to make money from, relatively speaking. The closest thing comparatively to online courses in its online business model is probably YouTube videos, because you're doing the same thing. Like, you're creating the content. Here you are packaging the content, meaning that it's kind of like selling a playlist, and here you're doing the separate videos. Even though YouTube is far more popular in the video creation or content creation, online courses are far simpler way to make money. As an example, you'll probably be making the same money in the first 3 months of online course creation as you will be making on YouTube while having around 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers. Probably you will be making online courses even more. And to reach 5 to 10,000 subscribers, it might take years, literally years, because it's incredibly difficult to grow on YouTube. When you go big, then your speed increases, but in the beginning it's incredibly difficult. While on online courses, it's relatively simpler from the beginning as well. For example, on Skillshare, it's relatively easy to put courses because there are not a lot of courses on Skillshare, and there are a lot of people who are willing to watch, and you are getting paid per minutes watched. And on Udemy, same thing. There are a lot of people on Udemy. There are a lot of courses as well, but there is probably an audience for your courses as well, and you will most likely be making more money on Udemy or on Skillshare separately than on YouTube with 5,000 subscribers or less, or maybe even a bit more as well. So for that reason, it's relatively easy to make money and fast to make money on online courses. So these are the reasons why online course creation is probably one of the simplest ways to make money online. And coming from my experience, coming from what I had to go through in order to find a good online business, it is the simplest way, because it's simpler than dropshipping, it's simpler even than affiliate marketing, it's simpler than Amazon FBA, it's simpler than print on demand, it's simpler than all of those, and it gets you results the quickest. But I'm interested in your opinion. Which online business models is the simplest in your opinion? I'm interested in coming from your experience, maybe what you have tried or maybe what you know. I'm not interested in what other YouTubers say, because other YouTubers saying a bunch of lies as well, and they're just trying to milk people for the money. And I want you to pay really close attention to one thing, the bigger YouTubers. Do they sell courses alongside their dropshipping and FBA businesses or not? If yes, then you have an answer to your question, which one is the simplest way to make money online. Well, this will be it for today. Thank you for being here with me. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want more videos like this one, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. See ya.